Hey Joshua, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool is right here, and basically what this is a long wearable blanket. So it's basically like a little hoodie that you can use as a blanket, kind of like a onesie in a way if you guys think about it, but not really. And for the one that we got right here from this brand right here. So first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so we guys first open up the package, you can see how the product is all nicely compressed. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see they do provide a little piece of paper right here, and they tell you guys which size you guys got. So we got the 53 by 32, which is a standard size one. And they mention how the product is called a wearable blanket. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. You can see it all nicely compressed and everything. So I'm actually cut this open to show you guys what it actually looks like when we expand it. So you can see the product is starting to expand like immediately. But when we open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Definitely looks very big. So they do have the little pocket option right here, and then you guys have the hooded option right here. And back right here, they do have like the rope option, so you can definitely tie around like your waist area if you guys want to. But in terms of the pocket area, you can see they do have the firm material right here, and also on the bottom as well. When you guys look at the material inside, this is basically what it actually looks like. So it definitely has a very nice firm material inside as well. But in terms of the sleeve option right here, you can see they have elastic sleeve right here. So that way you guys get a very comfy fit and actually feels really nice as well. And also when you guys look at the side right here, they do have this little button option that has to open up like this. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to put it on and take it off. So when you guys put it on, just clip it back in together like this. So they mention how you should use cold water to wash it, and you guys want tumble dry and low. But definitely when you guys feel the product, it feels like a high quality material on here. And obviously for the first time using the product, you definitely want to throw it into the machine to wash it and also dry as well before you guys first use it. So I'm actually going to do that first, and then we'll put this on and we'll talk more about the product in a second. Alright, see that once we actually put this on, it is really long. It's so long to the point where you guys can actually see my leg. So I'm actually adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, so you see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So you definitely have the big pocket right here that goes through on both sides. You can see my arm goes through this side and goes through this side right here. But definitely feels super nice and very comfortable once you guys put it on. It literally feels like a blanket is all over you, but it kind of feels like a onesie as well. Definitely love the overall design of the product. They have this very nice fur material here, and also the inside, and also inside here as well. And also on the bottom, you can see right there. And for this blanket hoodie, they do have the option for like the rope in the back for you guys to tie it. So if you guys want to tie this part right here, you definitely can, to give you that extra support and warmth. This is basically what it looks like once you guys tie right there. And for the sleeve option right here, it definitely feels really nice with that elastic sleeve option right here. That's a little bit stretchable, but definitely give you guys a fitted option right here. And the sleeve in general is actually pretty long. If you can see, if I pull it all the way, that's how far I can go. But the pocket is definitely pretty deep, so you can definitely put a lot of stuff on here, like your phone, your power bank, or whatever. And just the overall material itself feels really nice, and the color and the pattern, design, everything looks pretty nice as well. Even for like the hoodie option right here, if you guys don't want to use it, just take it off really easily. But you see how long the hooded blanket right here is. It is definitely pretty long, so you definitely get full coverage from top to bottom. Especially like the hoodie option, once you guys put it on, everything is completely covered, and you guys will definitely be really warm when you guys put this on. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys put it on. If you guys can see, it actually looks pretty nice, actually feels really comfortable as well, for both the outside and also the inside as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see that she does work and it's quite well. Everything about the product definitely looks and feels like a high quality product. I definitely love the overall feel of the product. It definitely feels really nice and very cozy when you guys actually wear it. I definitely love the overall design of the product as well, ranging from the sleeve option to the deep pocket and also the rope option. And also the fact that how it has a hooded option as well. The way how they design this product is perfect during like the winter season, like Christmas or whatever. Obviously right now during like the warmer days or hot days, it's not as ideal for you guys to use it around this time of the year. But when Christmas comes, then this is actually perfect in that situation. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for some kind of blanket to use at home, in the office. Maybe you guys just want to chill around like a sofa area. But maybe you don't want to use like a blanket and instead you guys want to wear like a shirt or something. This is basically like a 2-in-1 where they give you guys a blanket option and also a hooded option as well. So if you guys want everything that I just mentioned, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to run these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.